With Caddie 16 we now have access to all of the mark tools. We'll see here on the left we have the mark tools underneath transformations and above scope. We now have access to those for selection too, so we can use those in conjunction with normal selecting rectangles or objects, and also select all or quick select, for instance. So how do we make use of these for selection? Well, coming into the mark tools, we'll see down at the bottom we have a toggle between mark and scope, and that will toggle it to select, so all the tools now relate to selection rather than mark. Another alternative is to press the tab key at the time you select the select or mark tools, so it just toggles between the two. So what can we do with it? Well, we know that we can drag rectangles, or hopefully we do. If we don't, then selection is a case of left to right for all the objects that are totally within our box, or right to left for anything that is either within the rectangle or cut by the box. Having selected things, we may want to unselect them. Now we can select them individually. We can use quick select from the context sensitive menu and set that to unselect, and that is an option. But we can also now make use of these tools here. So if we wanted to say unmark by crossing, we can literally just run a line through. We can take it wherever we like, right click option end, and that will unselect those objects. We can select or unselect by pen color, for instance. We could pick a specific pen and say we don't want anything in pen 5 selected, so we'll unmark or unselect that, should I say. We can also do an unmark or an unselect by polygon. So if we do that, we do elements inside, and we might want to take out an area there. Right click and option end, so it will unselect those objects. And we also have things by trace, so we can select or unselect by trace, pick our object, and it will take those and unselect them, leaving us free to do our modifications, transformations or whatever, or even saving in the normal way.